Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy Navi protocol tokens. Now Navi protocol is a leading lending and borrowing protocol on the SUI network, and SUI is one of the leading L1s during this bull run. So I personally feel that this token should do 10x to 50x during this bull run. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now at the time of making this video, Navi protocol is sitting around 55 million US dollar market cap with a circulating supply of around 318 million. And this is the official website of Navi protocol. And as you can see, Navi protocol is also a swap aggregator, which is a good thing. And if you want to buy Navi protocol, you can buy it on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange. And I will be showing you both the options. So you can buy Navi protocol on Mexi Global. Now, if you don't have an account on Mexi Global, you can use my sign up referral link in the description for Mexi Global, which will give you 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. And once you create an account on Mexi Global, you will need to either buy USDT directly on Mexi Global or maybe transfer it from some other crypto wallets or maybe from some other centralized exchange. Now, as you can see, Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So there is no buying fee, only a selling fee is anywhere between 0.01 to 0.02% depending on the type of trade. So for spot, I think it's 0.02 and for futures, it's only 0.01%. So if you're dealing mostly into futures, this is one of the best centralized exchange for opening your futures trade. Now, once you're here on Mexi Global, simply click on spot and over here, go ahead and search for NAVX. So this is basically a Navi protocol token and select the pair Navi protocol to USDT. Now go a bit down. There are two types of order. One is a market order and one is a limit order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy the Navi protocol tokens at the current market price, which is this one. So simply go ahead and put in the amount of USDT. So let's say if you want to put 1000 USDT, then simply go ahead and put 1000 over here and click on buy NAVX. Or limit order meaning if you want to go ahead and buy it at a specific price. For example, if you want to go ahead and buy for 0.15, simply put in 0.15, put in the amount of USDT and click on buy Navi protocol tokens. So this order would be showing in the open orders over here. And as soon as the price of Navi protocol, if it falls to 0.15 level, then your order would be executed and then you would be getting Navi protocol tokens in your Mexi Global spot account. Now, if you don't want to use the centralized exchange, you can also use a decentralized exchange like Turbos Finance. Simply go ahead and connect your SUI wallet over here. In this case, I have connected my Martian wallet. You can also go ahead and connect a SUI wallet. Now over here, you can swap SUI to Navi protocol. So simply go ahead and search for Navi protocol over here on the top. So it's not showing. As you can see, NAVX, simply go ahead and click on this. Now I only have like a 0.013 SUI on this wallet. So I will put 0.01. So it will calculate the best rate or it will fetch the best rate in the market and simply you can go ahead and click on trade over here. Now please note that you will need to keep some SUI in your wallet in order to pay any gas fees for future transactions. So don't use all your SUI. Now once you go ahead and click on trade and once you confirm the transaction on your wallet, within 10 to 15 seconds Navi protocol tokens would be reflected in your SUI wallet. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy the Navi protocol tokens. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.